Hello Bankera friends, welcome to our video. Today we're having our new user interface, user experience designer, Susana, who just joined our Bankera family, and she's going to share her impressions and experience so far at Bankera and its MVP SpectroCoin. Hi Susana.
Hello.
Hi. Can you tell us something about yourself? What's your background?
I originally come from a background in fine arts and graphics. Once I moved towards UI and UX design, I started working for social media. So I designed experiences and interfaces for social networks. I did that for a few years in Portugal and in the UK.
What got you interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain industry?
It's a new challenge for me, and the fact that there's a lot of innovation going on in this field makes it quite an interesting experience. So a lot of the processes are very close to being uncharted territory, and it's always an interesting challenge how you can present that to the user. On the other end, with the Bankera platform, you're actually presenting the user with a very common interface, something that they're very familiar with, which is a bank, but that is based on completely cutting-edge technology.
Can you tell us what's your main responsibilities in Bankera and SpectroCoin?
So I will be designing new interfaces for Bankera, and I will be working on improving the current version of SpectroCoin.
What flaws do you see so far, and can you elaborate on your plan to refurbish SpectroCoin and Bankera's page?
I think with any product in this particular field, the main challenge lies in two different questions. The first of them is a matter of security. So the user is not super sure that it's a safe process. The second one is usability. So because they are very new processes, your user is not sure of how it works, it cannot relate to, it's not a commonplace. So I will be working towards improving in the current platform the experience in these two particular fronts.
From your experience, what is the most important feature for our users while using our MVP SpectroCoin?
From my perspective, it's not about a particular feature rather than about a journey. So if I had to pick a particular one, I would say what you go through when you first encounter our website. So what do you see? How do you relate to that? What questions it answers or not? And after that, how do the first processes go? How do you sign up? How do you see your account? How do you deposit money? These features, as being the first contact, the first impression that you have, are incredibly important in shaping how you will or will not use the platform going forward.
So far, how do you feel like working for Bankera and its MVP SpectroCoin?
Well, it's not been a long time. So far I'm enjoying it. It's a very new experience, I'm learning a lot, which is a good thing.
Oh, we're really happy to have you join our family.
Thank you.
The last question. From your perspective, what do you see the future design trends in blockchain-related industry?
I really believe that UI will shape the future of blockchain. The average user doesn't need nor want to look under the hood and see how the whole technology works. Therefore, the way that you package, the way you present it to him, really is important for it going forward. Andreas Antonopoulos, when he wrote Mastering Bitcoin, said that it would take two things for Bitcoin to have mainstream acceptance. The first one would be to improve security and to make the interfaces easier to use. And the second one would be for there to be enough time for society to adapt to this very disruptive technology. So this enough time is currently actually passing. And so you see all of these processes that go from innovation into becoming rules and trends. And in the beginning, as the fact that something is very innovative is the main selling point, moves towards different interfaces being the highlight. So it's not anymore about the fact that this is very new technology, it's about it's better at doing cards or it's better at doing exchanges, and that's really interesting to watch. However, the thing that I'm most curious about is actually how blockchain will influence design itself, how it will influence our experience of web, because it really is, in terms of thought processes, a very big difference, and it's already having an impact in the way that we perceive web interactions. And that's ultimately what I'm the most curious about.
It's very inspiring, actually. So thank you for coming today, and thank you for watching our video today. We'll see you next time.